Shuwena sisumisi ngondo ngawe Jones gobo mqolo uyayiqonda na Shuwena sisumisi ngondo ngawe Jones gobo mqolo uyayiqonda.
Stay tuned. Last night was the war. Today it's gonna be fires.
Ujonge ngcubeli right enonphandle konga mazinyo kwanqabileyo abafostani kani wena uphethwe ngubani bane thethi inyani kani wena uphethwe ngubani abafostani wena uba nice xa nice uyakwazi ukwenza yawudicinga ezibambeneyo ujonge ngcubeli right enonphandle konga mazinyo kwanqabileyo abafostani kani wena uphethwe ngubani bane thethi inyani kani wena uphethwe ngubani abafostani ndisamela wena ndisamela wena ndisamela wena abafostani ndisamela wena ndisamela wena ndisamela wena.
Okay, igama lami nguLwande Makhohliso. I'm a sound engineer. Been doing this for a bit ngoku. So today we're out here at ECAVC Studios, East London. So we're basically recording Umle, the album, yeah. And I think these guys are cool. Then we started recording, guitars, vocals, yo. I was blown away. I was actually surprised, but I was shocked, but I didn't even know them before this. So just recording these guys, I was actually walking up, but there's some really, really good music. There's still hope for Umculo in South Africa. I don't know, they bring in something which is new to the industry, a different sound. The producer of the album is just an amazing guy who's just got 3 nominations with won the Summers. So just that story alone, but I know it's gonna be an amazing project. It's gonna be an amazing project. Yeah, man, we're basically almost done with the recordings. Then it's just a mixing stage, mastering, then the good music's gonna come out.
Top is swine over some jingle, I'm a lady ganga. It's so sweet, the lamely. I lick in the little composite, you lady loud. In the fever, I'm a lady. Top is swine over some jingle, I'm a lady ganga. It's so sweet, the lamely.